I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain for Investment Pitch Media and the Crypto Coin Show. And today on Blockchain Interviews, we have Majed Mohsen, the CEO and founder of Aurix Exchange. Majed, welcome to the show, and thanks for taking the time to be here today.
Hi, thank you very much. Very happy to be with you as well, Ashton, and very excited to start it.
Definitely. I'm excited to talk about Aurix Exchange. Your team really has some interesting things in the cryptocurrency exchange space, and I'm excited to dive into the details. And I would love if you could kick it off with just a high-level overview and the focus of Aurix Exchange.
Sure. We are trying to provide a different point of view of exchangers that already exist. Of course, there is a good and big exchange on the market, but there is so many, we can call them gaps, and still the market are not covered by 100% or most of the people. So this is where we think that we came to cover. Our background as programming, we are IT company where we start, and we create Aurix Exchange almost from some times ago, like we started the company from 2016. And there are 3 points that we are covering: that exchange where people do crypto, fiat, crypto, fiat, crypto, and to providing in the same time banking service where we give them an IBAN account where they use banking account, where they use credit card to spending over fiat as a normal banking or over crypto as exchange.
Very cool. And I think it's a great mixture to have those. There's a credit card aspect in there, and I want to dive into that in a little bit of detail afterwards. I'm curious, in terms of the trading part and the main part of the exchange on the platform, are you primarily focused on, you mentioned fiat to crypto and crypto to crypto, but in the crypto to crypto, is there spot, margin, futures, or other derivative trading, or what are the main trading pairs and trading that's going on Aurix?
Well, as a startup company, we are going for adding futures and margins as well, but we're starting now as a simple. The main futures we are providing to the market is the cashback. We are the first exchange ever that's providing cashback on trading. So whenever any users of us that doing BTC Ethereum, they're getting cashback from our token and in our exchange.
Very interesting, and that's what I was reading about, the DeFi cashback model. And so as you're trading, you're able to get cashback, and I'm guessing you've partnered with the credit card companies to allow the traders to spend easily, or how exactly does that cashback and the spending work?
Well, the cashback is divided by 2 parts. One cashback of them is on the exchange itself, and one cashback is when spending using the card, VISA or MasterCard that we provide. So it's a little bit a different story, but both of them are in the exchange. We provide the customers with cashback during exchange itself, and it's covered right now by us because we run a centralized exchange right now, and we are going by the end of the year to run over it, and we will reach that point where we will start our chain itself. And the DeFi cashback right now is for the spending over cards. So where we are partnered with some very big assure banks that give us the ability to provide people with Visa or MasterCard where they get a cashback in our token whenever they are spending, like when they pay in McDonald's, in restaurants, any payment they do where Visa or MasterCard is acceptable, it will be they get a cashback in DeFi system without our company. In the future, we are looking to move all our ecosystem to blockchain itself.
That's great to know, Majed. And in terms of that, you mentioned people can spend cash back wherever Visa and MasterCard are available. I'm curious, in terms of actually using the platform for the exchange to be eligible for the cashback, is your team focused on certain jurisdictions where people are trading? And are there any restrictions on who can use Aurix to trade?
Well, anyone can use Aurix to trade. Any users can use Aurix to trade. And those people we are talking about on the cashback, it's made by our customers level. We start from VIP 0 to VIP 6. And to, sorry. And for our customer to gain one of this level, we are looking about how much they are stacking of Aurix. So to stack 800 Aurix, they gain a level where they get a cashback on spending and on trading as well.
Great, and that was my next question about the Aurix token in terms of the reward system, other functionalities within the Aurix Exchange. If you're trading and you're stacking Aurix, then the rewards are higher, is that right? And what are all of the other functionalities of the Aurix token inside of the Aurix Exchange?
Well, it's exactly as you call it. When they get stacks more of our Aurix, they get to gain more cash back in Aurix itself, in Aurix token itself. And we create this system right now it's a centralized, as I say. So we are looking by the end of the year to reach our Aurix chain, where we will swap the current Aurix one-to-one with the new chain, where the cashback will be over the market itself, with more and more options that we are going to talk about them in a few minutes.
That's great. And with this cashback, it definitely seems convenient for people that already have their funds on the exchange. Is this something that you see as the competitive advantage for Aurix Exchange in the cryptocurrency exchange industry? Or are there also other competitive advantages that you see in why traders are choosing to trade on Aurix instead of others?
It's a very good question. There is two targets in my point of view. There is two kinds of people: the people that's already using other exchange, and the totally new people that we are trying to bring them to the crypto space, where there is still, I believe, a lot of people are not still away from the crypto, and they didn't use it. And this is where we came with the card, where we can bring more people that they are away from the crypto. They didn't use the crypto before, and they can join it easily with the card. They spending, they get cashback, and we are highest cashback on the market currently. We are giving. And same time, we are focusing on the fees for those that are existing using other exchange. In my point of view on the future, that you don't have to pay a fees when you do exchange. You're gonna gain a fees when you do exchange. So the future exchange I'm looking for is user gain fees when they do exchange, not the exchange itself.
That's a great incentive to be trading on Aurix when that is implemented. So that's really interesting. Now, one of the concerns that traders have when they're looking at exchanges is the safety of their information, of the funds, and of the exchange servers as well. How much has your team focused on security, ensuring the integrity of traders' personal information isn't compromised, their funds are secure, and the login, the credentials, and the servers of Aurix are not prone to any hacks or vulnerabilities?
Well, the security, as an IT company myself, I'm computer engineering, and security is always the first point I am looking in any project I did before. And this is where we really focus, because security, I believe, right now in 2021, crypto security is in a good way, in a good position. I'm not talking about our only, but I think it's the recommendation that exists to keep our security in highest level possible. We use so many server security that gain the standard security for our customers.
That's good to know. And how are you increasing the amount of customers? Are you incentivizing traders to move to Aurix? Are you seeing organic growth?
Well, we believe in organic growth because point of view of the economic we are using, it's totally different from what is existing. We are using a totally new ecosystem to the market, where we are targeting the new consumer that they are using banking at all. Again, they don't know about crypto. They don't know anything. They hear there are so many examples on our life in people around me where do you know crypto? Yes, it's a Bitcoin, because they hear it from the news. What is Bitcoin? They will stop. They don't know anything more. Did you use it before? They don't use it before. So the ability to bring bridging between the normal consumer when they use it as a money, as investment, as transferring, to bring those people to use the service as exchange. This is where we are trying to be as providing the banking service and gain cash back to bring them to the crypto space.
Mm-hmm. That's great. And the platform is running live right now. I know you have a lot of traders on there. Are there any specific development updates you can hint at or roadmap milestones that traders can look forward to that you're working on in the next 6 months or throughout the rest of 2021?
Sure. There is a lot of things that we need to do. We working on this platform like almost 3 years ago, 2016, started the company, and really it takes 3 years of working to bring. We still have so many that is not showing, still under the table, where we are going to launch our product very close to our application, where people will use our mobile application, that is very friendly mobile application for new consumers and for the traditional traders and the crypto exchanger. We're gonna launch also in like 1 month, 1.5 months. We will start ship our card. I have an example with me that I can show it to you how it will be looking.
Cool.
This is our card. Yeah. And this is how we gonna shoot it and send it as well. And we are delaying it a little bit now because we need our application to be on fantastic way. We are running over all tests to it and to be ready for our consumers. This is on a very short run, like this is in maximum 1 month, 1.5 months, we're gonna gain that. The second step is where I am focusing really is the Aurix chain, where it will change all our ecosystem to be on the network itself, on the chain, blockchain itself, where there is a lot of my mind that and a lot of progress we already did, that it's changing the view of crypto. One of them, if you would like to start with this question about the Aurix chain, I can start with the first things I am thinking of is the market cap with the Aurix chain. Mm-hmm. The market cap is right now, you know, every company there are X market coin, market cap, max market cap, and it's on the hand of the company. They are a big name, they are good, I'm not commenting here, but I believe it is the time for blockchain itself to handle this market cap. Like when there will be a born for the coin or the token, it will be handled by mass, by the blockchain itself. Mm-hmm. This is what we are trying to bring to the people. Plus the cashback system. The point to be very in a simple way, right now currently people are mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so many other coins using machines. So they are using proof of work to do that. There are another, there is another coin where they stacking to use it, proof of stack. And we are looking to use a proof of transaction with something that's totally new to the crypto. The game is once you use our network, you are mining our token. Mm-hmm. So this is the point. Like the cashback is the mining you are reward our user with. Mm-hmm. Once they use they send the crypto to crypto from wallet to wallet, not on our exchange, and in our exchange as well. And after our blockchain is ready, and hopefully it will be like on the last quarter of this year will be on testnet. We will start running our decentralized exchange, where people will start gain the real benefit from crypto to crypto exchanging, and I believe decentralized exchange is the future. But right now, we can't run all the options from card to banking using decentralized exchange because of legal and governance.
Definitely, all great points, Majed, and I could see how building that protocol out, having the proof of conviction, building a decentralized exchange, which I do believe is the future as well. It's just a matter of having that user experience and the low fees, and obviously that's going to help with the protocol. So I'm really excited to see how Aurix grows out by the end of this year. For the viewers that are looking to follow along with those updates and to get involved with the exchange right now and start trading and taking advantage of the cashback, what's the best way for them to learn more about the community and to get involved and start trading?
Well, they can join us on our social media, in all our social media, from Facebook to Twitter, Instagram, media. We are trying to push articles in day after day. We are trying also to build our YouTube channel to bring the most and the last things to educate the people how to use it. And we are trying the first main target for the customers right now. Where we are focusing is that we are bringing the people that they don't know anything about crypto. And that means we need to push a lot of material to allow them to understand how to use the product, what is the crypto, and start on. Of course, it will help also the crypto customers that they know crypto to know a little bit how to do. But education is very important here in this point, and we are trying to focus on it.
I completely agree, Majed. Education is very important. I will leave all those links to the community, the YouTube channel, and the website and exchange in the description box below as well. All the best with Aurix Exchange moving forward, and let's follow up in the near future.
Thank you very much. And sorry, thank you very much. And really, I hope that all our customers will get again a really good experience using our application, using our exchange. And we are looking forward to launch more and more products and bring and more gain customers to the crypto space as well. Sorry.
Amazing. Thank you, Majed. That was great. I appreciate you taking the time. I will get our editing team to work on this and have it come out in the coming days. And I'll send you an email with all the links to the financial networks and the YouTube channel that it's going to go out to. And yeah, anytime you have new updates, just send me an email and I can see if I can help with the press, and we can do videos in the future as well.
Thank you very much. Really happy to be with you today, and really happy to and nice to meet you as well. And I am subscriber to your channel. I'm enjoying watching you all the time.
Thanks, Majed. I appreciate that. Have a great night, and I will speak to you in the coming days.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.